Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on XRP because we are ripping and I want to give you an update with the new price targets here. This is of course not financial advice, but I always try to predict here short squeezes, and I also have here some very interesting chart pattern for XRP. It seems like that we're trading here in a cycle, and it is possible that we will see the highest point of this cycle very soon. As I said, guys, not financial advice. Everything what I say here is based on the chart and based on the technicals. Yeah, if you're new to this channel, guys, welcome. My main purpose here is to educate you in trading. That's why I show you here several chart techniques for XRP. But of course, also I try to predict here short squeezes. This is also one of my main missions, and therefore I always post here my finest selection of short squeeze stocks. We had here one squeeze in January here. We can see that when I posted this swing trade alert on Patreon, we had a squeeze of 187% in just a couple of minutes. And this is also what I do. I know we talk here about cryptocurrencies, but it doesn't matter if we talk about crypto or stocks, guys. Everything is trading more or less in the same fashion, in the same cycles, with the same algos. So there are a lot of opportunities to make money in the market. I also upload here every Sunday my so-called hot stocks. This is my personal finest selection of short squeeze stocks, which I release every Sunday. And when I release a video with those tickers, I expect them to squeeze in the very few next days. You can see here my members made huge profits on that. There is of course no guarantee, but as I said, I give my best to predict here short squeeze, and I will do that here in the same way for XRP. If you want to see those special short squeeze stocks, guys, if you're also interested in stock trading, and you can get of course a lot of benefits here when you join in the Patreon full package membership. This is here my most popular membership, and a lot of people joining in here every day. If you also want to become a part of our trading community, you can click the info icon here in the corner. Then you get access to the Patreon membership link, guys. So let's talk about XRP, blah, blah, blah. I enable now my drawings here. So guys, and we have here two significant things that we can see for XRP. First of all, we know this is also something like a pump and dump currency. I know you maybe don't want to hear that, but it is what it is, guys, because when we squeeze here over $3 or over $2, $2 is the squeezed range. I simplified this chart now a little bit for you to make it more smooth, more readable, and we also disable for a second the indicators. Then you can see that we have here one squeeze trigger zone at around $1.96. As soon as XRP squeeze above $1.96 with volume, that is the moment when we see something like this happen. What we have right now, price is over $3, but I also give you of course the most, let's say, the most bullish price targets here if we're still trading in the cycle where I think we are trading in. Because when we zoom out, we can see the last spike which we had here was in January 2018. Then we had the bear cycle. Again, we started to squeeze here at around January. You can see the bottom was in January 2021. And now again, guys, it's January 2024 where we have this kind of peak. And that's why I'm very sure that we have here a normal algo trading pattern, cycle trading pattern. I think, guys, I never watch YouTube videos here, but I think there are a lot of people out there who say, I don't know how much price targets we will have, $10, $20, maybe in a couple of years, guys, but everything is based on algos, and we can see that when this algo pattern was finished, we had our breakout here. You can see that here, the red line in the chart. I draw that for you that you can see that. We have to understand that every time when this happens here, this pump and dump, guys, we can calm down very hard to the downside. But the good news is, guys, I give you now here the price target to the upside, and when we zoom out, then you can see my new price liquidity zone. I think, guys, and this is my honest and realistic price target, not to hype you up, not to scare you. I don't want to kill your dreams. I don't want to kill your hope, but I saw many people talking about price targets for stocks like AMC and Gamestop. Yeah, $1,000, $10,000, $50,000. Guys, you have to be realistic. Everything is based here on algos. And I think, yeah, my calculation is saying that we will end up somewhere here between $3.65 and $4 before maybe this cycle will be over. As I said, same was in January 2018. The bottom was in January 2021. Now we have January 2025. So I don't know, guys. I think this is the price target here for XRP. I could be wrong, of course. We could squeeze much higher, no doubt about that. I mean, this here looks super bullish, but keep that in mind. When this happens here, this is called a pump and dump. This is not made by human. This is not because everybody buying XRP right now. Even if you buy, the institutions, guys, are much stronger. They have more power and more volume. If they want, they create these spikes here to make you FOMO in, to make you buy here at the highest possible price ranges before they dump down the currency back to hell. The good news is, if you bought in here in the low price levels, I would say below $1, that is very good, guys, because we have here the dip zone, which I draw for you in the chart. Every price here below 50 cents is a very welcome dip. Overall, we are here in a super bullish cycle for XRP. So even if we see, and this is the good news, even if we may see here a huge sell-off incoming, I think we will end up here somewhere in the 90 cent range, and 50 cents. Everything below 50 cents is a very welcome dip for XRP. So if you bought here below 50 cents, congratulations, guys. You can make some huge profits here, but keep in mind, this cycle might be over as soon as the price reaches here $3.65 to $4. I know I made some different predictions in the past or similar to that, but I think the chart is now very clear, very easy to understand. We had this peak, by the way, the all-time high is $3.31. So we are in a bull cycle for XRP, or in a bullish uptrend, of course, overall bullish uptrend. But don't forget, the last spike was here in 2017, and now we're talking here about 2025. So it took 8 years, guys. The market makers know how to get your money. They know how to make you FOMO in, and they know how to make you sell. Keep that in mind. Everything what goes straight up like this comes straight down like this as well. Mark my words. This is not to scare you guys. This is simply what I know about trading and what also the chart is telling us here for XRP. But as I said, for long-term investments here, if you are a long-term investor here, this looks super bullish. And you can see that we're just building here higher lows over the years. That means that here somewhere in the 50 to 80 cent range here, the potential bottom for XRP should be in. If we don't talk about a fake market crash, of course, then we can come even much lower. This is possible, but there's always, you can see that the market always recovers here from that. And you can see that the main liquidity zone here in case of an absolute bear scenario here, aka market crash, would be here between 40 cents and 17 cents. But of course, we don't need to talk about these price levels right now. Yeah, guys, this is what I expect for XRP. As I said, I think we will come down, or come up here in this red box before we start to accumulate. If we have this kind of huge sell-off reaction, I will of course inform you here on my channel and keep you updated. If you don't want to miss any updates, guys, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I would really appreciate that. And if you want to copy here the price zones from my chart, then you can of course pause the video as well. And the program what you see here is called TradingView. This is the chart program what I use for all my videos and all my trades. And if you also want to get TradingView, guys, I can offer you here a $15 discount link on the premium tier. When you click the info icon in the corner, you get access to the TradingView discount link. Yeah, guys, don't forget to check out here our hot stocks and swing trade alerts on Patreon. I hope that video was helpful for you. Thank you for your time and see you in the next one. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute. Bis zum nächsten XRP Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.